So students, today I'm going to show you the distributive property. Okay, so this was actually a special request by Kunal, one of my viewers. He mailed me that he wants distributive property that is getting a bit confusing for him. Okay, so in this case I'll just show you with the help of algebra first. So here, if you have a into b plus c, so all you can do is a b plus bc. Now the problem is, students find that this is actually much easier than this particular part. And I agree, this looks more difficult because here you're multiplying twice and here you're just multiplying once. But I'm going to show you literally in your everyday you can use your distributive property. This is one of the best properties because trust me, with this property you can do multiplication in your head. You will actually become a human calculator after using this particular property. Okay, so now see, if I had to multiply 7 into 209 using this distributive property, I can just write this as nothing but what, 7 into 200 plus 9. This becomes what, 7 into 200 gets you what, 1400, plus 7 into 9 gets you 63. So this becomes 1463. And this, because I'm explaining it, so I'm showing these steps. But trust me, when you start doing it in your head, you will do the answers before me even doing this over here. Okay, so you saw how easily this distributive property is actually very underrated, and how this plays a very important role when it comes to what, multiplication of numbers, multiplying. You will really work very good because you've understood this particular distributive property. Okay, very quickly let me show you another example. So now let's say 4 into, let's say, 721. So now again I give you an option, just multiply 4 with 700 plus 21, or you can even spread it across. You can do what, 700 plus 20 plus 1. You can do either ways, but since I've already shown you this kind of a method, I'm going to show you what happens when you do this particular step. So 4 into 7 gets you what, 2800, into 20 gets you what, 80, and 4 into 1 gets you what, 4. Add all of this, you get what, 2884. That is your answer. So you saw how easily distributive property can solve your problem of multiplication. Okay, now please understand, because most of y'all are used to using multiplication, or rather distributive property, when it comes to algebra. So I'm not going to, like, show you that as well. I'm definitely going to show you that. So 5x plus 8, sorry, 5 into x plus 8, if that is the case, then what you do, just do nothing, multiply this and this. So you get what, 5x plus 40. But I'm sure this doesn't make any sense to you. But imagine if you had to find the value of x, and this is your particular equation, and here if they had told you that this is coming out to be what, 80. So then this becomes what, equal to 80. Putting this number on this side, we get what, 5x is equals to 40. So your x value is now coming out to be 8, right? So this is where this particular property can be helpful. But please understand, students, in order to explain all of this, it takes a lot of effort on my part, because I'm literally doing all these videos every single day. So do go ahead and hit the like button, because that really gives me a lot of encouragement in doing these kind of videos. Also, those of you who have not subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe the channel, because definitely every single day you are getting one short and one video related to mathematics. Apart from this, if you have any particular query or anything you want me to do in regards to mathematics, please let me know so in the email, or you can put it in the comment section. Also, don't forget, at the end I'm going to put up a DIY question whose answers you all can mention in the comment section. So now, like I said, we will try one more. So imagine this, x into 2x plus 5y. So now here, understand, when you multiply x and x, your degree increases. So this becomes 2x square plus 5xy. Okay, trust me, this works very nicely when you are actually doing word problems. Okay, because this is how your distributive property will be helpful. But since lot of you all get stuck with the distributive property, you just associated with the variables and the algebra part, that's not the fact. Actually, you can do this in multiplication as well. So let me try one more. 21 into, let's say, I had mm, 15. If that is the case, then what you do is what, 21 into 10, because this becomes what, 10 and 5. Let's do this orally. So we get what, 210, and when you multiply 5 and 20, we get what, 105. So your answer is what, 5 1 and 3 315. That is your answer when you multiply these two numbers. Okay, so now coming to your DIY. Students, apart from this distributive property, if you have anything, like if you are not getting clear clarity about associative, commutative, then let me know, so I'll definitely make videos on those as well. Okay, so now for your DIY, I want you to multiply and show me 3 into 29. Let's do this orally. Okay, don't use your pen and paper, do this orally and put your answers in the comment section. I'll definitely let you know whether you're right or wrong. So that's it for today. I will see you in the next video.